I bet you clicked on this video to watch me apply this almost flawless looking eyeliner on hooded eyes, right? Well, let me tell you something beforehand. This eyeliner look was applied and removed at least 5 times until it looked the way it does now. So if you want to know how to apply this graphic eyeliner on hooded eyes without messing up all the time, then make sure to watch this video until the end, since I'm going to give you some tips and tricks along the way, plus there is a bonus info for you in the end, so make sure to stick with me. Hello, my name is Haja and I have hooded eyes which I want to enhance with graphic eyeliner on. If you have experienced this familiar eyeliner issue with your winged eyeliner looking crooked when your eyes are open, then welcome on board, you have hooded eyes. My goal in this tutorial is to encourage you on ending the struggle with the eyeliner application on hooded eyes, so let's get started. After preparing my lid with eye primer for a creaseless application and concealer to neutralize, plus a setting powder to fix it, we start with the eyeliner application. I'm using the Maybelline Master Ink Dip-In Eyeliner in black. Important note, keep your eyes open and relaxed while applying the flick. To determine the height and length of your eyeliner, we begin by applying 2 dots. The first one is located on the outer edge of the eye corner, pointing upwards to the brow tail. The second dot is applied on top of the outer half of the upper lash line. So here's a very crucial note to stop shaking hands. When applying your eyeliner, make sure to place your elbow on a steady surface like a table, so you have more control over your movements. For further stabilization of the hands, place your pinky on top of your cheek during the application. Talking about shaky hands, the first reason for me to reapply this eyeliner several times as someone experienced in makeup artistry simply was I did not have any steady surface to place my elbow on, so I was more prone to shaking my hands. In case you're curious why I did not, I simply was not in mood to move a table and set it up. Okay, long story short, we applied our first eyeliner stroke by connecting the 2 dots with each other. Now again, from the first dot on the outer edge, we apply another stroke connecting it to the upper lash line, creating the flick. Again, keep your eyes open for a non-crooked eyeliner look. Now before filling in any gaps, we apply our third line for the graphic eyeliner look. We do that by again going back to the first dot and drag a line from there up until the center of the above crease fold. Important note here is to apply the line with less pressure, simply letting the tip of the brush touch your skin, plus making sure the tip does not contain excess eyeliner product on it. Otherwise, the line will end up looking too thick and uneven very quick. Also, do not be afraid to go back and forth and give yourself time while taking a mini break until the eyeliner dries before moving on with evening it out. That is the next important note for you to take: patience. Being patient while applying an eyeliner is key to a flawless eyeliner look. So if you're trying out a graphic eyeliner for the first time for a special occasion, make sure to plan enough time ahead. As you can see, the application does not really look flawless up until now, since the lines are patchy and uneven a little. But before correcting that, we first fill in the gaps in the flick. We fill in the gaps applying small strokes until the flick looks completed. Once we're done with that, we now line the rest of our upper lash line. Important note for hooded eyes is to keep the line on the rest of the upper lash line narrow, since thick eyeliners tend to enhance the hood more than before. Now it is time to even out the flick and the graphic line by applying a few additional strokes or remove them. Yes, you heard it correctly. When we make small mistakes, we do not get frustrated and remove the look and start all over again. Well, maybe some YouTube tutors do that for the perfect YouTube tutorial, and in this tutorial I definitely was included until I decided to teach you how to be patient with yourself instead, because the strength is found in serenity, my friends. As you have seen, I made the flick a little longer by extending it and in general evened out this look further. Here I tried to extend the line above my crease fold, but instead failed and had to remove it with a cotton swab and makeup remover on. I kept removing a few strokes from the bottom of the flick and fixed any stains. I went over the line on the above crease fold to make it end up looking a little sharp, and I succeeded. Kinda with another stain, which I removed very patiently. Now it is time to reapply the removed concealer mixed with eye primer. I apply a very thin layer on the skin that looks patchy to even it out. Then I switch to my lashes, which I lift with a lash curler first and then apply mascara on top. For a graphic eyeliner look on hooded eyes, I do not recommend you to apply thick and too voluminous lashes like mink lashes for example, since they will cover your lid and with that the eyeliner you have applied. Instead, use a pair of super natural lashes with a thin lash band so that your artwork can still be seen through them. I used half lashes by Essence Cosmetics called Lashes to Impress on the outer corner of my eyes. Half lashes are a great choice for hooded eyes since they lift them naturally. And that is basically how I apply a black graphic eyeliner on my hooded eyes. I wanted this tutorial to be encouraging for you so you do not give up on your first attempt at applying an eyeliner on your beautiful eyes, because I believe that there are so many tutorials out there that do not show you the reality of the flawless eyeliner look. Well, that is at least what I have experienced, and to be honest, I myself do not show it sometimes, since it should look easy, right? Anyway, there is simply no flawless looking eyeliner without the effort you need to put in first to be able to at least draw an even stroke. Thank you for joining me until the end of this tutorial. Before ending this video right here, I would be grateful if you subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, share this video with your hooded eyes fellows, and leave me a comment if you're interested in a beauty giveaway in the next tutorial. In case we make it and reach more than 100 comments on this video, the next tutorial will include an exciting giveaway. See you next Sunday.